Welcome to the Smart Links page in Release Organizer. Here, you can create a Smart Links page for your artist profiles. Pro and Label users can create one page per each artist they manage. There are 6 pre-made templates to choose from. If you select Classic, you can change the background color, upload an image, GIF, or even a video, and adjust the colors to match your style. Your Smart Links can be followed, so you can collect emails from your fans and use them to send gated content or email promotions. Followers will be notified whenever you update your page. The Followers tab shows a list of all your followers, which you can export for future use. The Analytics page displays performance data for your Smart Links pages, so you can track clicks, engagement, and follower growth. And that's the overview of the Smart Links page. See you in the next tutorial.